Let's take it across to my colleague Uttkarsh as well. And after a host of financial frauds coming into light over the past year, from Nirav Modi to Winsome Diamonds, the CVC now has a new committee which will act as an advisory to these financial frauds. Uttkarsh Chaturvedi has the latest. Uttkarsh, what exactly is the motive behind this, and will the board actually have any powers?
So, if you look at what CVC has constituted, this is majorly the first line of investigation between an examination of PSP fraud. So, if you look at the facts, so any fraud which is above the level of 5 crores and involves anybody who's above the level of a general manager, that's fraud. Earlier, what used to happen was that PSBs used to go and report to CBI directly, and then the case used to go forward. What's happening now is that the PSB will go to this advisory committee, this board, and this board then in a month's time will reach out to CBI and reach out to PSB as well, advising them on what to do. What also is there that they have a 30-day limit that they have to really get back to PSBs. Also, in the case of if CBI really needs any technical help, or any other agency as well, if they need any technical help in understanding the cases, they'll be there to explain all of these technicalities to the CBI. The idea again is to make sure that there is a filtering line between what goes to CBI and needed a front who can speak to CBI. So what was happening a lot was that in the course of investigations, there was a lot of allegations of harassment of bank officers. And that is the reason why what CVC has now done is to streamline the process. There is a board where you have to go through. They will give their advice and they will be a point person to CBI about the investigation of the case. That's the basic idea of it. There was a board like this called ABCFF, which is on bank, commercial, and financial fraud. But that used to only come in play when there is a conflict between PSUs and CBI in the investigation process. But now it's mandatory for the PSUs to reach out to the board once there is a fraud which is above the level of 5 crore rupees.
All right. Thanks for that, Uttkarsh, and for taking us through all of that.